We start off this morning frigid in the single digits and approaching the teens as well now around our area as we take a look at our Capitol Federal live storm tracker, seeing some cloud cover as well. And from our Skycam in Topeka over in Noto, currently seeing a beautiful sunrise right now. Wind chill values currently are in the single digits and in the negatives in some spots, like Emporia at -2 degrees and Holton -2 degrees as well. But overall, ranging from around 5 to 7 degrees for your wind chill everywhere else. Current wind speeds right now between around 3 and 5 or 6 miles per hour. And the same stands for our current wind gust as well, coming from the north currently. But those winds will turn from the south as we go through the next couple hours. And they'll start to pick up as well as warmer air pushes into the area. As you can see, by tomorrow morning, gusting anywhere from 20 to 30 miles per hour. By tomorrow afternoon, leveling off a little bit before picking back up going into Tuesday afternoon as well. Today's forecast overall, we will be in the 20s, approaching the 30s in some spots. We also will be sunny today, so no clouds like yesterday. If you're going to the Chiefs versus Chargers game, that's at 12 p.m. and it airs here on Wibw. At kickoff, it's going to be around 16 degrees, maybe some clouds, but by the end of the game, 20 degrees. The winds turn a little bit and it will be pretty clear as far as our cloud conditions go. Next 24 hours, rising from the single digits through the teens into the 20s, back into the teens after sunset, but back into the 20s by tomorrow morning as another push of warm air comes through. Tomorrow's forecast overall, 40s and 50s. We will be sunny tomorrow. And Tuesday's forecast even gets warmer and more mild as we'll be in the 50s and mostly clear. Tonight's forecast overall, we will be in the teens and 20s and will be mostly clear. As we track out your temperatures over the next 24-48 hours, you can see that we'll get into the 20s by this afternoon, staying in the 20s this afternoon, getting into the low 20s and maybe even into the teens by tomorrow morning for your morning lows. But we warm up into the 40s tomorrow, feeling like the 30s. And by tomorrow evening, we get back into the 20s before we rise into the 40s and 50s by Tuesday afternoon. So warming up, and it's going to be mild. We do have a cold front that will move through on Wednesday into Thursday. As you can see, we aren't expecting a lot in the way of precipitation with this cold front. And right now, the temperature spreads are between around 10 to 20 degrees. So there's a lot of uncertainty as far as how much temperatures will change after the passage of this cold front. As we take a look at our 8-day forecast, we will warm up behind this brief cold snap today, and we will see our temperatures rise all the way into the 50s, lasting through at least next week and before winter begins next Sunday.